Hey guys, it's Dee from Sanremo. Today we have a Zoe Competition 2 group on the bench and I'm going to be running you through the pre-infusion. The Sanremo Zoe has its standard pre-infusion, which is activate the shot, turns on, turns off, turns on again. So that's the Zoe pre-infusion, okay? At the moment from factory, as it comes with button 1 and button 2 set with the pre-infusion on. Button 3 and button 4 has your standard extraction, which is 9 bars of pressure. Okay, to activate your pre-infusion to be all on, so across button 1, 2, 3 and 4, these are the steps you'll need to take. So at the moment the machine is set for 2. Turn it to 0, hold down button 1 and button 2 at the same time. Turn the machine to 1. Wait until the lights illuminate. Once it's done, release the buttons, turn the machine back off to 0. Wait a couple seconds. Turn the machine back on to 1, and then button 4 should now have a pre-infusion, as you can see, okay? As well as button 3. So pre-infusion on, off, on again, okay? So if you wanted to have it completely off and you didn't want any pre-infusion across these buttons, these are the steps you take again. So turn the machine to 0, hold down button number 2, turn it to 1, wait until the light illuminates. Once it's done, release the button, turn it to 0. Wait a couple seconds, turn it back to 1. Activate the shot and it will be a straight extraction now. Same with button number 2 and button number 1. Okay? To reverse it back to the factory setting, to have pre-infusion set for button 1 and 2, turn the machine back to 0, hold down button 1, turn it back to 1, wait until it illuminates, release the button, turn it off, turn it back on, and now pre-infusion should work on button 1 and button 2. So that's basically how you set up your pre-infusion on a Zoe. Thanks guys for watching. If you have any comments, place them below and we'll get back to them. See ya.